Here at 20350 Rock Canyon Road, you can fish in the morning, hike in the afternoon, and then sit in your hot tub and enjoy the Cascade sunset views in the evening. And all this is yours in Deschutes River Ranch.
Deschutes River Ranch is a private community just 11 miles north of downtown Bend and 3 miles from Tetherow. What sets this place apart from the rest is 2 miles of private riverfront trails and access that are all just for this community. This is all right out your back door at 20350 Rock Canyon Road. Single level living, luxury finishes and amenities, and a low maintenance lifestyle. Because in Deschutes River Ranch, you don't just come to live, you come alive.